Well, I am back. I got a few things in the mail, and I'm going to show you those. This came from Hungary, actually. Captain Ball is the guy on YouTube that has the eBay store where he sells these, and actually he's in Hungary. So these took a long time to get here. What they are is they're wooden cartridge boxes, and these others with the hole in them, those are cartridge formers for paper cartridges. So I can make paper cartridges for my revolvers. So that came, and then J&G had these bayonets on sale, and one is for my AK-47, the other is for my what is it, Mark 4 number 1 or number 1 Mark 4, whatever it was, for my British rifle. It's a spike bayonet for that one, but they came from J&G in Arizona. And then I want to show you my progress on this rifle. I had to hand fit the lock for this rifle. Apparently, it was the same type of for the same type of rifle, but it's just slightly off. These had to be hand fitted so that they would work, and that's only half cock there, and that's full cock right there. So, and it hits dead center now. But if you don't have those set up right, they're not going to hit dead center. And then there was a fairway roll in the back. There's actually two of them. This is the original one here. Ron ended up making this for me. It's the other one. It's kind of like a copy of the other one. And you need those so that you can get that lock in straight. I mean, I could do it without that in there, but it lines up better with that one. So, really, this is it's going to take quite a while. I started sanding down the stock because it's all black. I mean, it was all black with whatever oil and junk was in it. I cleaned it with acetone on top of that before I even started sanding it. And it's going to take quite a bit to take care of this one. So, at least I'm getting somewhere, at least with this. So, and next I'll show you what I got at Ham and HiFi. So I have to move. This is what I got at Ham and HiFi the other day. I paid $10 for it. At first I thought it was a Bakelite case, but it's just painted really well and lacquered really well. It's got the ranges it has on it are for broadcast band and also for fire, police, aircraft, all those. It is missing one knob, so I'll have to get one knob for it. But as of right now, I know it's made by General Electric, but unfortunately the big label on the bottom that has all the specs on it is not there. It's been scuffed off. All I can read is General Electric and the power rating and stuff like that on it, but can't see a model number on it anywhere. And I've looked through all the pictures of General Electric radios from 1936 to 49, and I still can't find this thing. And I'm pretty sure, since it's in a wooden case, it's got to be between 34 to actually 40, I think. But yeah, so it's going to be another project. Actually, inside it has all metal tubes in it, so that would tell me it would be at least near 1940 somewhere, but I cannot find anything on it for the life of me. But I'm going to still keep looking. So if anybody knows what this happens to be, let me know, because I have no idea. Nowhere to find a schematic yet. So anyway, that's what I got for you today. And talk to you guys later.